If I fall, knock my head for ground, una go treat me. Una send me home. Jubilee man in diaspora.
090 270 40593.
Person wey no get 10, wey no get sprocket, made in Abba 2023 model. Alright, no be smart, no be smart, and I still me biggest smart to Onya Abba. Only me, Abba, ese kosi. Omo, wetin I see for Jubilee today don shock me. If I no know say for Jubilee Abba, if you want a machine, wey no dey drive with sprocket, no dey get 10. You know what for anything? Nka na we dey work am. Na for Abba we dey work am. Oga, you dey now?
I dey.
You dey campaign. So wetin come be your name?
My name is Peter Nakaniyan.
Peter Nathan Iyan. Wow. How long were they for Abba?
Over 10 years.
Over 10 years?
Yes.
For Jubilee?
They dey here. All my people, you see my people here. It's our people, all of them.
No worry, I hear say this machine no get sprocket.
You no get sprocket, you see, you drive to a propeller shaft.
You no get
propeller, you no get chain. Nothing like chain. This is propeller.
This one is propeller.
It use two mechanisms. This one nine control by way the drive.
This one and this one.
Yeah.
Which one? This one.
This one. 9 control the drive.
Hey.
This is a new model, 2023 model.
2023
model. You know, you cannot get this one anywhere. You can't get it anywhere from Nigeria, even abroad.
Even abroad,
you don't get this model. This model 250. See, I'm here.
Model 250.
Model 250.
Oh, power bike.
Model 250.
Bike model 250.
Yeah.
Lion.
Now
only you produce am.
Now only me producing one.
What give you ginger? What give you
the knowledge? The knowledge from God. Is, you know, that there are spiritual technology that we don't see.
Wow.
But God anointed me to produce all these things for people to enjoy.
Wow.
That's it.
Like how long will the thing take before you produce am?
Before this one come out, about 1 month period. After research.
After your personal research.
Before I can gather every material to produce it. Yeah.
Produce it.
That's it.
1 month.
1 month because of finance. I don't get enough money.
Because of finance.
Yes, it is.
So you are trying to talk say if they finance you now, you go do pass this one.
Now why not? I do it.
You serious?
I'm serious about it.
Start am now see. I go fit drive am.
Why not? Is it not a common motorcycle?
Wait, now I try am. Wait, don't worry.
No, you remove from the stand. Remove from the stand.
Okay. Okay. Hey. On your road though.
See, you don't wait. Let me drive it for you to see what is going on.
No, don't worry. It's your man.
That's the one. Here's your brake system.
Yes.
Here's your brake pedal. Don't break it automatic. You break it automatic, it will come automatic.
Okay.
Just move it small.
Small. Road.
No. That's the man standing.
Road dey comot. Person wey no get 10, wey no get sprocket, made in Abba 2023 model. Clear road who say man no dey. Na for Jubilee wey the thing dey happen. And they don't bet you when I get sprocket and chain. Made in Abba. Don't worry. But I live on no baba. So you say na nobody teach you.
Nobody teach me. This is not spiritual teaching where I go for front of for the spirit.
For the spirit.
Yes, of course, because this thing not a small thing where you say I could do. If God doesn't anointed you as a do not make Elijah prophet, you cannot make it.
Wow. Talk again. Talk that again.
Your lady spiritual research. Without God to anoint you as a prophet of Elijah, you cannot make anything. Great.
Yes. That to say for this life, as far as you die alive, everybody alive get the reason why you die alive. So if you focus and pay attention, say you go get some.
That's it. They anoint you, then they give you the vision.
Give you the vision.
Then no matter the suffering, no matter the pain, No matter your time wasted, no matter your year wasted, you have to pursue. Then before you get to the end, and you have to achieve it. That's where we achieve this machine, because this is a product from Abba, and you know Abba is a very big city.
Sure.
They are going to market this product. They are going to sell it throughout the whole world, as far as God is concerned.
Wow.
People are coming. There are so many thousands of people are coming for it for market.
So you are trying to tell us, say, if they finance you now, say you go fit convert the whole machine where they are.
Why not? Before you can talk about 2, 3, 6 months, the thing will be available in throughout the whole market.
What is the give you this kind of mind and ginger? When they take this, you say you don't shop.
We are in power. As I don't bring this one today, next year I'm going to bring another one. I'm going to bring another one next week.
Next week.
Now
the same normal machine.
Normal machine. We want this thing to circulate all over the whole country.
Wow.
It's a power bag. Okay, 3 people should enter back. 3 people just enter. I want to examine it. 3 people enter back.
Enter. Hey, it's in a power bag. Make 3 persons enter. 1, 2.
Now so them they load.
How many days?
Now 3. That's all right. You get up. We want to know. Just move very small. Just a sample. Just small.
Power bike. If I fall, knock my head for ground, una go treat me. Una send me Jubilee man in diaspora. Una send me I can't see another one when I don't produce.
Small. Easy. No,
I don't want
put your power now. Give power now. That J one is okay. What is that? Tire. Okay.
Power you say you go fit produce a more.
That's it. I will produce more.
Call your phone number.
090 270 40 593.
Why they do like say they can't shoot?
No.
I call them, they make it get ginger.
Okay. 090 270 40 593.
Alright, so I don't see him now. Abanka will carry. Once in a battle, tell him, you know, that they get my come up for